YouTube is not smiling. When I tell you that YouTube is not smiling, YouTube is on another wave of channel termination, and you need to be aware of this. You might think possibly at most it could be inauthentic content or reuse content policy, but it's far away from that. YouTube is on another wave of channel demonetization, and I'll give you the reason. It's just a simple reason. So something happened some days ago. A creator reached out to me and she asked me about a problem she had, that her channel was terminated. So this is what she said, she shared with me. She said that I'm into AI storytelling where I use 3D animation to visualize my story. And yesterday night, my growing channel of over 1,000 subscribers was terminated by YouTube team without prior strike or warning. I have appealed and they rejected it and said it can't be put back on YouTube, but I never engaged in any spam, deceptive, or scam activities. So please, sir, advise me. I don't want to lose my account because every piece of work on my channel came from intense hard work. What can I do at this point? Because they said I can't even create another channel. So I told her that she should reach out to the YouTube team on X and see what they can do. So now this is the reality of a creator, that her channel was terminated. She's into AI content, but this time around it is not anything that relates to inauthentic content or reuse content policy, but the spam. So this is another wave of channel termination. A creator I worked with some time ago had this kind of issue sometime late last year, but her channel was demonetized, not terminated. But I think YouTube has updated their moderating system in a sense that when you violate this policy, they will terminate your channel straight away. So you might think this is just a one-off something. No, in the past 3-4 days, about 6 creators have reached out to me, sending me DM that their channel has been terminated. And when they share this experience, sometimes I just felt that maybe they did something wrong or something like that. But when another creator reached out to me just some hours ago, so this made me to make this video so that we guys should be aware of this. So now this creator reached out to me and told me that my channel was removed from YouTube. How can you help me out? So I told him that, what kind of content do you make on your channel, and were you given a notice? And he said, I used to do short funny videos in acting and how to cut and sew filler videos, and they mailed me, and I appealed yesterday around this time, and they mailed me back this morning. So I now asked him, in the short funny videos you make, do you do collab? And he said, yes, I used to collab and I act to videos most times, and I use trending sound to act. Hope you understand. So, and he said, I am at 53,000 subscribers. I have been working on the channel for a year now. So this is the reality of this creator. He just sent me this some hours ago. So now if you are using this particular feature in YouTube Short, that is the collab feature, I think you should tone down the rate at which you use that particular feature. YouTube is terminating channels that are abusing that feature. Like there's this creator that I'm working with. The previous time I checked her channel, she was like getting like 20, 30, or even let me say like about 100 subscribers in every month. But suddenly when I revisited her channel, I discovered that she has gotten over 14,000 subscribers within the past 28 days. And I was like, how do you come about this? How do you, what video was trending on your channel that made you to get over 14,000 subscribers in the past 28 days? Because I know her channel. So when I checked further, I discovered that she was getting her subscribers from shorts. And I said, okay, it is possible, because I've seen creators getting even over 50,000 subscribers within 28 days on their channel. But now looking deep into her shorts, I discovered that it was mainly the collabo videos that was giving her a lot of subscribers. And I asked her how did she get this idea of doing this collabo, and she told me that a creator friend that she had was doing this and they are getting a lot of subscribers. And even the creator that taught her how to use the collabo, that she has crossed over 100,000 subscribers. I was like, wow, this is a gold mine. But some days later, she told me that that channel with over 100,000 subscribers has been terminated. Now, just within these few days, I got another messages from other creators, including this one that I got some hours ago, that their channel was terminated due to things related to spam. So if you are using this collabo feature in YouTube Shorts and you are abusing it, and you are just using it excessively, I think you need to tone down, and possibly I would suggest you delete those videos. But from another experience that a creator shared, he said that even after deleting the video that he felt that is violating YouTube's policy, that at the end of the day, the channel was still penalized even after deleting the videos. So YouTube is on another wave of channel termination, and due to the abuse of the collabo feature in short. So I just decided to give you this update. Be careful how you use this feature. This feature is giving channels thousands of subscribers. When you start using these features, especially if you use the popular sound or the popular collabo videos, you get thousands of subscribers. So if you are thinking of doing it, or if you're already doing it now, I would suggest you stop doing it. So that's the update. Please stay safe. While we are still dealing with the inauthentic content, this new wave of terminating channels due to spam and violating the YouTube spam policy is now the new thing. So don't spam on your channel, do original content, and you'll be fine. So let me know if you are falling victim of this particular situation. Let us know in the comment section, or if you know someone that their channel has been terminated, please, I would like you to share it with the community in the comment section. And if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button so that you will be getting useful updates like this from this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.